Shenanigans hair tea.
If you have locks and you're struggling with dryness, wash day might be the missing piece in your routine. Today I'm giving my locks some very much needed TLC using products from Shenanigans Hair Tea. I always start by thoroughly rinsing my hair before going in with our vanilla shampoo. This shampoo is made with Castile soap, vegetable glycerin, jojoba oil, apricot kernel oil, and castor oil. What I love most about it is that it gives rich, satisfying lather. Do you see it? While still being gentle on the hair and the scalp. The Castile soap helps cleanse away buildup and excess oils. Jojoba oil helps support a healthy scalp. Apricot kernel oil adds softness and shine, and the castor oil helps lock in moisture. A lot of shampoos can leave your hair feeling stripped and dry, but this one leaves my locks feeling clean and refreshed and hydrated. After rinsing everything out, I gently pat my hair with a t-shirt instead of a traditional towel because it's softer on the hair and it helps reduce frizz and unnecessary snagging.
When you wash locks, like, it just feel heavy because all the hair is like, you know, and a bunch of plaits. Yeah, it feel heavy. Right. So now we're gonna go in with our deep conditioner. Today I am using Shenanigans Hair Tea Ylang Deep Conditioner. Hold on, I want to see my hair while it's wet. I'll be right back. But this is a cream. Oh, okay, girl. Okay, girl. Now we're back to the video. Y'all, I love the way this lavender smells. If you have not tried it yet, you are missing out on some good hair care goodness. This is a great investment for your locks, your curls, your waves, your beard. You can even use the deep conditioner on your beard because we got a condition, okay? And now we're just gonna let this sit in. So this is your time to grab your shower cap. If you don't have one, you can grab one from shenaniganshairtea.com because we also offer those as well. And y'all see how the locks look? Very hydrated, very much. Yeah, we're doing something. All right, so we're gonna let this deep conditioner treatment sit on. It's currently 3:33, y'all. Peep the angel numbers. So we're gonna let it sit on for about 5-10 minutes. Usually 15 to 20, but we on a time schedule. So yeah, I'll be back. All right, so it's time to rinse it out. Now, if your hair was curly and you use our deep conditioner, it will curl your hair up and it'll start feeling like a curling cream. Your hair will be so soft, like my locks are right now. They're very soft. They're still wet and everything. And my hair has absorbed all the ingredients that was put into the deep conditioner. Even though we're about to rinse it out, at least it got to sit in there for at least 10 minutes. So, yeah. Yay, I got clean hair. Shout out to Shenanigans. Y'all, don't use a towel, use a t-shirt. T-shirts are better for your hair. It's a little bit softer, more gentler, and it's cotton. And you gotta sleep with your satin bonnet too. All right.